Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Fix Steam Market Too Many Requests Error 2026. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Run commands one by one. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.